Civil engineering has always been a profession that shapes the way communities grow and thrive. Roads, bridges, water systems, and land development projects all rely on the expertise of civil engineers. Today, however, this profession is entering a new era. The demand for civil engineers continues to rise globally, driven by population growth, rapid urbanization, and the urgent call for sustainable infrastructure. At the same time, the very definition of the profession is being redefined. What once depended solely on traditional technical knowledge now requires mastery of digital tools, adaptability, and a forward-looking mindset. This shift raises important questions for the industry. Which new skills are truly essential for the next decade? How should civil engineers prepare to remain relevant in a rapidly changing market? Share perspectives and experiences in the comments, because the future of this profession is not only shaped by innovation, but also by the collective insights of those who are part of it. The landscape of opportunities is no longer limited by geography. Countries across Asia, Europe, and the United States are investing heavily in infrastructure, while outsourcing has evolved from a cost-saving measure into a strategic advantage. Civil engineers are expected to be fluent in platforms such as Civil 3D, Revit, building information modeling, and advanced simulation systems. Emerging specializations in sustainable design, climate-resilient infrastructure, and green development are reshaping the career pathways that define long-term success. This transformation is not theoretical. Firms already leading the charge are proving how the future is being built. AXA Engineers exemplifies this shift. Established with the vision of connecting Vietnamese talent to global markets, AXA Engineers has become a trusted partner for design firms in the United States, Australia, and Europe. With more than 80 engineers and CAD experts, the company is recognized for precision, innovation, and consistency. Achievements such as recognition from Autodesk and being named the #1 best workplace in Vietnam in 2025 highlight both technical excellence and a culture that values people. That culture translates into meaningful professional opportunities. AXA Engineers is not merely a workplace but an environment designed for long-term growth. Through the comprehensive AIDED program, engineers are encouraged to develop technical expertise alongside leadership, problem-solving, and continuous improvement skills. More importantly, a formal U.S. training program provides hands-on experience with advanced tools such as grading optimization, dynamo, and storm and sanitary analysis directly applied to international projects. This approach bypasses years of slow progression and accelerates the journey from entry-level engineer to recognized expert. The impact is tangible. AXA Engineers has achieved a 97% employee retention rate, an extraordinary figure that signals more than just stability. It reflects the success of a philosophy built on high performance and happiness, and a total employee development program where growth and purpose are central. This retention rate proves that top engineering talent values stability, professional development, and meaningful contributions over short-term salary competition. For civil engineers, this creates a blueprint for a resilient career. The most critical decision is no longer simply which job to take, but which growth pathway to pursue. By aligning with future-focused firms like AXA Engineers, professionals gain the opportunity to contribute to subdivision planning in California, land development projects in Florida, or sustainable infrastructure across the world, while advancing their own expertise and leadership. Perhaps the most important truth about civil engineering job opportunities is that this profession goes beyond building structures. It is about creating sustainable communities and infrastructure that will serve generations to come. AXA Engineers reflects this purpose through its 5-star impact model, delivering value not only to clients and employees, but also to partners, communities, and the environment. In the end, civil engineering is a field that combines technical mastery, digital innovation, and a sense of mission. The demand is strong, the opportunities are global, and the future belongs to those prepared to embrace new skills, new pathways, and new ways of working. The story of AXA Engineers demonstrates that with the right environment, training, and vision, excellence is not only possible but inevitable. Every step forward in civil engineering contributes to stronger, more sustainable communities. Which area excites you most? Digital innovation, green infrastructure, or global collaboration? Join the discussion and help shape the vision of the future.